You've been doing everything right, eating clean, taking your supplements, working out, but your body and hormones still feel off. There's a missing piece most women are never taught, and when you discover it, you'll finally understand why nothing else has been working. Hey, I'm Evelyn, a holistic wellness coach specializing in women's hormone health and fertility, but here we go beyond that. From balancing hormones to mastering your emotions and embracing feminine energy, this is your space for all things holistic wellness, empowerment, and transformation. Get ready to reclaim your confidence, elevate your energy, and step into your most magnetic self. If that speaks to you, be sure to hit that subscribe button down below and welcome to the channel. Now let's get into it. Your menstrual cycle and your ability to conceive isn't just biological. It's a direct expression of your feminine essence. So when you're dealing with irregular periods, painful cycles, PMS, or fertility struggles, it's not just physical. It's often your body's way of saying you are out of alignment with your feminine energy. And here's the thing most people don't realize. We live in a world that rewards masculine energy, structure, logic, productivity, control. And while those qualities do serve a purpose, living in that energy 24/7, especially as a woman, disconnects us from the very part of us that creates life, the part that heals. Feminine energy is cyclical. It's intuitive, fluid, receptive, slow moving. It knows how to be, not just do. But most of us were never taught how to embody that. Instead, we were taught to push through pain, to control outcomes, to ignore our cycles, to treat our bodies like machines instead of the living, breathing, sacred systems they are. So of course our hormones are off. Our bodies are rebelling because when you're disconnected from your feminine energy, when you're stuck in masculine overdrive, your body doesn't feel safe. And a body that doesn't feel safe will always prioritize survival over creation. And survival mode, it's not a place where healing happens. It's not where ovulation thrives. And it's certainly not where new life begins. So what do? How do you start to shift out of masculine overdrive and back into your feminine flow? How do you begin creating safety in your body again? Not just through food and supplements, but through the way you live, move, and relate to yourself. Here are 3 simple but powerful ways to start reconnecting with your feminine energy. The part of you that knows how to soften, receive, and heal. 1, honor your natural rhythm. Your body is designed to move through cycles. Recognizing and honoring your menstrual cycle is one of the most powerful ways to reconnect with your feminine energy. Start tracking your cycle and tune into how you feel at different phases. Whether you're in your menstrual phase, follicular, ovulatory, or luteal phase, adjust your energy, work, and rest accordingly. During your period, allow yourself to rest more. During ovulation, harness your creative energy. Embracing the natural ebb and flow of your cycle helps you step into your feminine rhythm. If you want to dive deeper into this, I recommend checking out this video next. I've linked it for you in the description box below. 2, embrace the pause. In our fast-paced, hustle-driven world, choosing to slow down can almost feel rebellious. But the feminine thrives in stillness, softness, and spaciousness. It's in these moments of calmness that your body rests, your intuition sharpens, and your creativity flows. So give yourself permission to pause, to simply be without pressure to do or achieve. This is what creates room for healing and restores your sense of safety and peace in your body. Something I've been doing lately is setting reminders every couple of hours to pause, even if it's just for a minute. And I had a client who started doing the same thing, just 5-minute pauses twice a day. She thought it sounded almost too simple to make a difference. But after just 1 week, she noticed she was holding less tension in her jaw and shoulders. She was actually sleeping through the night again for the first time in months, and her mood felt more stable throughout the day. That's the power of reconnecting with stillness. During my own pauses, sometimes I'll take a few deep, slow breaths, inhaling for 4 seconds, holding for 2, exhaling for 6. Just a few rounds is enough to shift something. Other times I'll close my eyes and do a quick body scan, noticing any tension and softening those areas with my breath. Sometimes I'll wrap my arms around myself and just hold for a minute or 2, or I'll place my feet flat on the floor, really feeling the ground beneath me. Other times I'll lie down on the floor for a few minutes and just tune into how the ground supports my body. I might also silently repeat calming affirmations like, I give myself permission to rest now, or I simply observe my surroundings, listening to the sound sounds, feeling the air on my skin, and just noticing what I see. This helps to bring me back to the present moment. None of these take long, but they bring me back to myself. And that's the point. Each of these simple pauses helps me reconnect and find calm throughout the day. It doesn't have to be anything elaborate. Just a few intentional breaths or moments of presence can be enough to completely shift your energy. 3, follow your joy. Feminine energy isn't about fitting into a mold or following outdated ideas of what feminine should look like wearing pink floral dresses or a face full of makeup. Feminine energy is about tuning into what truly excites you and makes you feel beautiful and alive. That could be anything from rocking a bold all-black pantsuit to expressing yourself through art or movement, whether it's dance, weightlifting, horseback riding, or whatever brings you joy. It's about honoring your unique spark and letting that be your guide. Leaning into what lights you up is a core expression of feminine energy. My friend Jordan recently introduced me to a spiritual teaching from Bashar that completely shifted something for me. Bashar says, in every moment, follow your highest excitement. When you're faced with a choice, A or B, ask yourself, which one excites me more? Even just a little bit, then do that. Because living in alignment with your joy is one of the most magnetic things you can do, especially as a woman. Maybe you're deciding between answering a few emails or working on a new project. If the project feels even a little more exciting or nourishing, follow that. These tiny choices add up. They teach your body that joy is safe to follow. And over time, they shift your entire energy. And that's feminine energy, tuning in, trusting the spark, and letting it lead. Now, I'm curious, do you ever feel like you're stuck in masculine overdrive? Have you noticed your body responding differently when you soften into your feminine flow? And what's one small way you can honor that part of you today? Let me know in the comments down below. And if you're feeling called to go deeper and are looking for personalized one-on-one support on your hormone balancing or fertility journey, I'd love to connect with you. You can book a free wellness consultation with me to see if working together would be a good fit. Or you can join my 6-week self-guided program, the Mind Body Hormone Refresh. It's the perfect place to start. I'll include both links in the description box below. And be sure to like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.